Are you okay?
No, Trevor, I'm not.
It's not too late to turn this around.
Yes, it is. I can't take this anymore. Too tired. If Von Kovac keeps pushing, he wants to see who we really are underneath. But I can't show my underneath. I can't share the real me. The real me will get kicked out of here. I'll never be able to act again.
That's not true. The real you isn't your condition. The real you is the sum of everything you've experienced. The loss, the joy, sadness, heartbreak, losing someone you love so much, wanting something so badly you could burst, hurting someone you care about, being hurt by those you love. That's your life. That's who you are. Mirror up to nature. That's our job. When we share our pain, our grief, our joy, the audience, less alone in theirs. We're all less alone.